Previously we looked at passing tones and at neighbor tones, and each of these moves by step. Passing tone only in one direction, and a neighbor tone, as you saw up here, up and then back down, or down and back up, changing directions but moving by step. Escape tones and appoggiaturas have a step as well, but they also have a leap, and the leap is what makes it most important. Escape tone first steps onto a non-harmonic tone and then skips back to a harmonic tone, whereas an appoggiatura does the opposite. It jumps onto a non-harmonic tone and then steps back. Let's first look at the escape tone. So you can see here that we start out with an E minor chord, top note B in the soprano, then moves to a non-harmonic tone by step, the escape tone. When we move to our next harmony, the C is going to skip down by a third to the harmony. It can move down and skip up, or move up and skip down. The most important thing is that it steps onto a non-harmonic tone, not part of the current chord, and then it leaps back to being part of the next harmony. So step onto a non-harmonic tone and then leap back into harmony. Let's now look at an appoggiatura, which is the opposite of an escape tone. Let's now look at appoggiaturas. These are like the opposite of escape tones because they first leap or skip directly onto a non-harmonic tone, doing that here, and then once they've hit it, they step in the opposite direction. So in this example, I have the F on top, F sharp on top. It's going to jump up to an A in the next chord where it doesn't belong. Once it hits the A, it steps down to a chord tone. So part of the chord, F sharp here, then it goes from F sharp, jumps up to the A, not part of the E chord, and then it finally resolves down by step to a chord tone. In part B here, start out as the top of the chord of B, jumps up to a D, not part of the A chord.